Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making a Caprese salad. A Caprese salad is an Italian dish that is made from simple ingredients and it really serves inside a restaurant. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're going to need 3 tomatoes sliced thin, about 1/4 inch, some fresh mozzarella which you can just about get at any grocery store nowadays. We need that sliced as well, some 3 to 4 leaves of sweet basil, and some salt and pepper. Now there's many different styles and ways to plate this. I like to go for the simplicity of it. We're just going to layer our tomatoes and our mozzarella around half of our plate here. Kind of want it on an angle. We're going to shingle it so that way we can see all the colors from the tomatoes and the mozzarella. We're just going to keep doing that until we are out of our ingredients. Once you get that plated, we're going to give it a healthy crack of salt and pepper across all of it, just to really help those flavors. Then we're going to put on our basil. Now if you want, you can layer your basil leaves in between the tomatoes and the mozzarella. I actually like to slice mine. It's called a chiffonade. You take it and you roll up your basil leaves real thin. Just nice, thin little shaves. Just like that. Then we want to take a little bit of our olive oil and go over our tomatoes. Same with our balsamic glaze. Now I have a recipe for that. I will drop a link for that in the description as well. We don't want a lot. Then we're gonna drizzle our balsamic glaze over it, just like that, and top it with our fresh basil. Now, isn't that beautiful? Let's get a taste. All right, let's dig in. Take some of this off and plate it for myself, so that way I'm not eating off of the plate for everyone. Now this is enough to serve a party, for an appetizer or something like that. Let's get the perfect bite. A little bit of tomato, mozzarella, the basil. Okay, there we go. That's so good. You get a nice fresh pop, sweetness from the basil, get nice crunchiness from the tomatoes. It's seasoned perfectly with the salt and pepper. The fresh mozzarella adds a creaminess to it. You get a nice, slight vinegar tang from the balsamic glaze. This is absolutely a great appetizer or a salad to serve. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link for that in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.